So, um, I kind of want. I'm recording this as like an A/B test sort of thing for this. I'm going to be. God, it looks like a with the glove. It looks like a morpher. I kind of like that. It looks like a Power Ranger morpher. But yeah, this camera that I'm using right now is recording at 4K. Pretty sure that this camera can only record at like 720. So, um, but there's a purpose to it. You know, I've got this point and shoot. I think I have one other point and shoot. Then I have my camcorder. I've got this, and I've got the Canon, um, the um, the older DSLR. So I'm very curious because that gives me at least four cameras, other than the two phones that I have. So technically, if I wanted a multicam setup where I did not give a shit where or that any of them are the same camera, I have six cameras, which is a very complicated setup, especially since all of them are going to be different. Um, but if I put them all through the VHS anyway, I don't think it'll matter, truth be told. But now I'm very curious to see how this sounds, how it looks. So we're going to try that next. Yeah, that didn't work too well. Turns out the um, SD card that is in the Lumix is just too strong. Either that or I need to format it a certain way, which maybe I'm not looking forward to doing that in the slightest. But uh, if it comes down to me just needing to go out and get a cheap 32 gig for this, because I think what's in here is a 256 gig. Um, that is what it is. But I am partially trying to get this taken care of because I have a video idea that I have 18 days to, at the very least, write and shoot. I would also like to have it edited and out by move-in day. I think that'd be like a big thing. Also, there's another project that I'm wanting to do, where, you know, I've got two things that I want to do where it's like daily work, right? Where um, every day I at least record a video. I don't have to edit it. I don't have to. Um, I don't have to. I don't even have to put it on the computer. It can stay on the memory card. But at least once a day. Oh, there's a hummingbird. Little tiny thing too. Is itty bitty. Like pencil thin, like itty bitty. But you know, once a day, turn the camera on and talk to it for just a couple minutes. But also once a day, and this could also be it because I kind of want to do this thing and see just how it goes. Starting tomorrow in this composition book, I will be writing one sentence a day for a full year. So from July 1st to 2024 to June 31st, 2025. I will be writing. I don't know if I'll be alternating between two different inks, but I will definitely be using a different pen every day. That way you can see the progress. And the sentence, like, the only rule that I have is that the sentence has to start with a capital letter and end with a period. That's the only rule. And I only have to write one. Um, and then after I've written that sentence, I will film myself reading that sentence. I do think that that would be a very interesting thing, especially since the first 17 sentences will be written in this room. So it would be like the beginning of a project is the end of my old life. Right? Something to carry forward, something to bring with me. God, I keep bringing my arm closer. But that's just, you know, it's something that I think will be interesting. It's something that'll get me writing. I don't think I'll be participating in Nano this year. I know I put in the Techo that I was going to try, but I just don't think it's feasible for me this year. But I do want to be in a position, hopefully, where I can at least attempt it seriously next year. Especially since we have to move next August. Whether that's, spaces in the same community, or if we move to a different place, or if I am making enough money that I can actually go to living on my own for once, that'd be great. But it's that's something for 11 months from now. Right now, I just need to finish getting my room packed, and start thinking of what sentence I'm going to write for next year, and also sourcing an SD card for this thing, because that old digital look, I have an idea. I have an idea, and I'm excited for it. So, but anyway, that's my video for today. So, one short 5-minute video every day, plus a sentence every day starting tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes.